Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. A question. Which onion is healthier, green onions or regular onions? Well, to be honest, the answer to that question is pretty straightforward. Both types of onions are good for your health. However, it's worth noting that when it comes to vitamins A, K, C, iron, calcium, and dietary fiber, green onions definitely come out on top. Green onions are also great at killing bacteria in your mouth. And here's a really interesting fact. Workers in greenhouses where onions are grown never catch the flu, even during the worst epidemics. How about that for an interesting fact? At the same time, onion bulbs contain more B vitamins, potassium, folic acid, and flavonoids. So what's the bottom line? The bottom line is that you should alternate between these two in your diet. By the way, there's a handy chart on the title screen showing which type of onion works best for which dishes. We encourage you to check it out. It might come in handy someday. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask your questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to see you back.